Hi everyone, welcome in this session, and there is no specific subject to talk about, but I think to talk about live snippet and the type of live snippet. But at first, a quick introduction. Here we are talking about software. This software called TreeShade. You can install from Adobe Exchange. Write exchange.adobe.com. And from Creative Cloud page, search for TreeShade. And you will find here at first. I have developed this software over a decade, and it's totally free. It's an extension. It's an extension for Adobe Creative Cloud, especially Adobe InDesign, and Adobe Bridge for file management and content management. Also auto-generating for design remotely through dynamic online forms. After installing the software, restart Adobe Bridge, and TreeShade will ask you to create root folder. Here I have created this root folder, TRST. Inside it you will have workshop folder, and within this folder put your project files and edit them. So it must be inside workshop. There are folders beside workshop for output, and you can navigate through this line. Badge for design badge as separated files exported automatically for each badge PNG or JPG file. Versions for all files types. You have versioning system here. Final PDF for InDesign document, versions PDFs also for InDesign document, and here trash. If you move a file to trash, it will go to this folder. And all these locations reflect the same related path, but in different root folder. Like here, if you select a file, now I'm inside the workshop. Within workshop, if you click versions, you will have the same related path, but instead workshop, it will be changed to versions. See? The root folder, not the ultimate root. Let's say the subroot here. And here badge. Now the badge for the version, because if you go from versions to badge, you will have the badge of the version. But if you go to the editing copy inside workshop and go to badge from here, it will go to badge for the editing copy. Okay, because each version of InDesign document have separated badge. Now let's talk about live snippets. Inside workshop, let's go to this folder, test. Here I have folder called test. Here empty InDesign document, let's open. Okay. Now you can create a live snippet by, let's fill the text. Let's copy any text. Okay. Now we have text. If you want to create live snippet, you can select the text. Let's select the software name, and from live snippet, select a new live snippet. Please save the document. The problem here, because after upgrading to the newest version of InDesign, now if you open the InDesign document, it will be converted and you need to save the document each time. That's a problem, and I couldn't find a solution for it. Every time I have a new version of InDesign, I face this problem. If there was an option to save the document when I open without the need for this. Okay, anyway, I have selected the text. From live snippet, select a new live snippet, and here write the relative path, starting from the folder beside the InDesign document. Let's name the folder content, then software name, okay. Now TreeShade create this text file, software name, inside content folder, and now you can select the live snippet by inserting the text cursor inside, or by selecting the non-printing anchor text frame at the beginning of the snippet. This non-printing anchor text frame, it's not printed and not exported to the PDF. It's just for the graphic designer to know the snippet location. Or you can insert the text cursor inside the marker itself, inside this text frame. And by the way, the end marker marked by the special character end nested style here. this backslash. It's a special character and nested style here. It's used to mark the end of the snippet. Now, after selecting the snippet, you can select from live snippet, reveal in bridge. And now the text file will be selected. And here we are inside content. Inside content. Okay. If you double click on the text file in Adobe Bridge, TreeShade will open this window, so you can edit the content here. It's add space. Now, if we go back to the document, you can update the selected snippet by selecting update selected, or you can update all. Okay, now it's updated. Suppose we have repeated instances of the software name inside the document. Like let's say we have here TreeShade. What we can do to apply the snippet on all instances, you can search for TreeShade and let's copy the marker at the beginning. Or you can copy the text frame itself. Okay, I copied the text frame. Now search for TreeShade using GREP. And add at the end here, add TreeShade inside the parentheses to define a group. And here at the end, let's select match negative look ahead, negative look ahead, and we don't want TreeShade to have the special character and nested style here after it, so let's add here other and nested style here. Okay. Now let's try find next. See, it find here but not there. Now in change to, we want to change to what we have copied, the start marker. So let's add here clipboard, yes, other clipboard content, formatted, clipboard content unformatted. Let's say unformatted. Okay, then TreeShade, or we can write the first group, and then after that the the special character and nested style here. So let's copy this and put here. Okay, now let's try find next, change. It's worked or not? Because I forget and copied the special character. I must not copy anything, so let's undo to keep the clipboard with the start marker. So let's undo and let's copy again. Let's copy the start marker, the non-printing anchor text frame. I copied. Then find next. Let's find next, okay, and change. See, it's worked. So using this, you can replace all instances that have the software name with this live snippet. What's the benefit of that? The benefit of that now it's all related to external text file. You can modify at once the software name. So if we change our mind and want to remove the space, just remove from here and then update all the document, update all, and it's all updated. And of course the live snippet crucial and important with the dynamic online form, because the end user like your customer or marketing team, they can fill the content despite the design, like what, let's show you an example. Like here we have an example of the thumbnail for the YouTube streaming. I use this, so quickly I can modify the subject and upload new background. And when I click update, the form will connect with the local server on my computer to trigger the document to be opened and update the content using live snippet, because we have subject as live snippet. If we open the document, you will find that we have a live snippet for the subject. Okay, that's it. I think it's enough for this session. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to ask any question about the software. Try to install, it's totally free. And if you don't want to run, just don't execute from extensions, because when you open the InDesign to start the TreeShade, you need to select extensions, then TreeShade from window menu. If you don't do that, it will not be run. So don't run if you have important project and you don't want to risk any problem. Okay, that's it, and goodbye.